Today we're looking at the brand new 2023 XLR Hyperlite 3517. Brand new floor plan out this year. First, starting like the other ones that we've seen, the all brand new graphics. Awesome layout. Man, just look how awesome how that looked, how reflective it looks. The graphics just look really aggressive. Nice party deck, patio deck on the back with the railings that go all the way through. You got solid entry steps that go up into the main entry. This is going to feature two slide outs, one in the living area and then also one in the front bedroom. Full walk around bed. Again, brand new model 3517. Can't really find too many people out there that even see it. Look at the brand new woods. They went lighter up top with like a white cabinet and then like a lighter cabinet down below. You got three sofas. And then you've got a drop-down bed above. So both of these two opposing sofas right here will go up. Then you've got a bed up top that unpins and comes down too for another bed. Then you've got two different chairs that directly across to hang out, movable. You get your television, fireplace, a lot of counter space. I like the accent lighting they did down below there. Large residential microwave, undermount stainless steel sink. Do a nice job as far as all the storage they give you. I like the nice backsplash they did there. Transitioning into the lighter wood, gas and electric refrigerator, barn style bathroom door. Nice sized bathroom here. So you got stainless steel sink in your bathroom. Look at all the counter space. 3 storage cabinets up above. Large square shower, so it gives you a ton of storage. It's got a skylight up above there, your toilet, more storage down below. You can put towels in those bottom racks there. Here's a little towel holder rack. Now look how awesome this bedroom is, right? Look at all the counter space, but look at the little, first off, walk around bed, but then look up front. You got a nice little lounge area. Look out your big front window. You can get to both sides, so maybe even the kids come up in here. They can hang out up front. You're still in bed, not ready to get up yet. You're still just hanging out with everybody, getting ready for the day. Look at all the storage, his and her storage on each side there. Central vac, more cabinets down below. Man, I love this layout. Going to do really well this year with it being a brand new layout. And as you can see, you got a ton of layout, open concept in the back. LED lights are out. All the windows. Look at all the windows. See everything really, really good.